Hi. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Teacher Shelly.
Yeah, hi. Okay, what we done here is we put some clocks, cards on the table, and we're mixing them up some so they're not so easy peasy. And Timmy, can you match up the cards that go correctly? Match the time with this kind of clock, so it would be a digital clock to the wall clock to match. Can you show me?
Yeah.
Let's see, that is what time?
4:30.
4:30.
And the clock.
10 o'clock, yes.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. So, if I took these like this, and I covered that up, tell me all the times. Starting from the top.
10 o'clock,
6
6 o'clock, 4:30 o'clock.
No, just 4:30.
4:30.
Very good. Give me 5. Thank you. Say bye, Teacher Shire.
Bye.
Alright.